Good evening. I hope you're staying warm. What a change. Yesterday the air conditioning, today the heaters. We've been through this a few times this winter with these Arctic air masses, and it's here. And take a look at these clouds. Yeah, these are what we're going to have to get used to. An overcast sky the next several days. No sunshine really in the forecast. Not much rain though. We had a few little spurts of rain today, but it didn't add up to much. Those droplets on our windshield as we're driving, just enough to bother you. And that's pretty much what we're going to see again tomorrow, although the rain will pick up a little bit as we get into later tomorrow and Friday. We'll show you that here in a second. Outside right now, brr. It's cold out there. We have 36 at Orange Grove, 38 Alice, and these temperatures are actually a little colder than we expected today. That Arctic air was just pushing south and didn't stop. And you can see that we have 40 degrees at Ingleside right now, 44 at the Naval Air Station, so it is cold. Not to mention we have that wind blowing from the north, and that's making it feel colder. An 18-mile-an-hour wind to 20 near the coastline. That breeze will continue to blow tonight at about 10 to 20, and it's going to make it feel chilly. So the north wind tonight, we've got a chance of a shower or perhaps a little drizzle here and there, not much. And these are the low temperatures. Fortunately, we're staying above the freezing mark, but it is cold. 39 for Corpus Christi tonight for the low, 41 Port Aransas to 39 Alice and Rockport 39. So yeah, you get the picture. Coats are going to be a good thing the next few days. You can see tomorrow's forecast, clouds all day long, a little bit of drizzle or light rain at times, and temperatures hovering in the 40s much of the day, topping out close to 50 or so, about 51 for the highest in Corpus Christi, and that wind still blowing, not too strong, but it's going to be a cold breeze under 20 miles an hour. We still have that chance of a little bit of rain. There it is. We've been tracking it since it was up in northern Canada, and it has invaded the United States. Look at how much of the country is being affected by this Arctic air, including the Lone Star State, not to mention we're dealing with snow, freezing rain, and sleet. And that is in this big swath here, anywhere from the Great Lakes all the way down into Texas. Included in that, from San Antonio northward, there is a winter weather advisory for the potential of a glaze of ice. Yeah, and then as you get up toward Dallas, some sleet, up to a 1/4 inch of sleet and a 1/10 inch of ice. It's just going to be a wintry mess, especially the farther north you go with this system through tomorrow. Meanwhile, back at home, we're going to get some pesky rain. That overrunning situation we talked about yesterday, warm air aloft, cold air at the surface, going to continue to give us a little bit of rain. Fortunately, we're not going to get in on the wintry mix. That stays to the north as we continue to have that cold air. Another surge of it comes in tomorrow night and into Friday, and that cold air is not going anywhere anytime soon. Now, we're also going to see a little wave, a trough of lower pressure. It's going to move along South Texas. That will keep our rain chance going into Saturday, but again, it isn't a lot. So that cold air is going to be the main feature with this, and the clouds, yeah, they're going to be stubborn. All right, here's future track then. This is tonight. Notice those temperatures in the 30s to low 40s. Tomorrow we start the day with a few showers. Notice the rain, not a lot tomorrow, but again, we've got another surge of cold air coming in Friday. That's going to help that overrunning get going a little bit more here, and we may see a better chance of that rain tomorrow night, and here's Friday morning. Some light rain at times, not a lot, and those cold temperatures lingering all the way into the weekend. Not a lot of rain, as I mentioned. Take a look at the forecast amounts here, a 1/10 to maybe a 1/4 inch. That's for the next several days. So pesky rain, damp, cold. You got the picture? It's cloudy skies. You're saying, when's it going to warm up? Next week? Yeah, not until about Monday, Tuesday, we start to get out of this colder air, but until then, stay warm. Fortunately, again, I still don't see any freezing temperatures, but it's going to be chilly.
It's happening just like you've been telling us for the last week that it would.
Oh, I wish it was a little bit warmer, though. I'd like to predict like 80 maybe, you know, just saying.
That's coming. That's coming. Next
Yeah,
week, hopefully, or the week after. Sharon Ray, thanks a lot.